What's up guys, and welcome back. So what we have here is a ring with 3 broken prongs along with the original stone. The first thing I'm going to do is file down the rough surface of the broken prongs. Then take some gold wire of the same thickness as the original prongs and solder them in place. Once soldered, I use an acid bath to remove the oxidization and flux. And begin filing the soldered prongs so they blend in with the ring. I then use some calipers to mark the height of the original prong. And cut off the excess. A second mark is used for the height at which the stone is sitting. I use a burr to make a groove for the stone. I then place the stone in the setting, checking the fit and push over the prongs to see if the stone stays in place. After that, I can start filing down the height of the prongs using a cut burr to round off the tops. We can now go about removing any scratches with emery paper. I also use a steel wire wheel to clean the harder to reach areas. And then give a final polish with Tripoli and rouge. Just as a finishing touch, I go around the edge of the ring with some emery paper to give a satin finish. And there you have it, a stone setting repair. If you enjoyed this video, then perhaps you'll enjoy some of my others. Click subscribe to stay updated, and I'll see you next time.